Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 22nd of June, 2023. We are going to talk about C3 or AI in the market right now. You guys can tell that I had a price prediction in the market for AI, and the market actually went against me. Yeah, initially, after I did a price prediction, you guys can already see in the AI that the market completely collapsed, came all the way down to our area of support, which is like $20.50. But then eventually, AI caught wind and the market completely went higher, and it hit our ultimate TP price a couple of months later. Okay, so now we're going to pose the question: do you think AI is about to crash or go back down in price? Let's talk about it. So first, depending on timing, you would say that this price prediction which we created in AI on April the 4th, that it did not go correctly, because it took the market from April the 4th all the way until May 30th to hit our ultimate TP price, right? And then this whole period down here, you would have been definitely nervous into the market in AI, thinking that your position wasn't going to come out right. So it would have taken some bearings, some mental fortitude to hold this stock during that time. I get it. So yeah, you could say in that realm, I didn't get this price prediction correct, but clearly you can see that eventually, like I said earlier in the video, price caught wind and the market in AI hit where we said it was going to go. Now, the question is, when we did our price prediction back in April, right? We said that the market resistance, or the sellers, were going to come to market around $44, right? Is it just a coincidence that we're currently seeing that weakness now? Look at all of this weakness that is being created in the market in AI. We're seeing an up fake, two up fakes, and a push to go down, all within the same vicinity or area of what we said our ultimate TP price is going to be at. Isn't that amazing? The chart actually tells you when you may need to jump ship, because right now, given these three indicators of weakness, it does look like price in AI wants to go lower. Crash, I don't know about all that, but we can be prepared to see some lower movement though. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here in AI. Congratulations to those who was able to hold on to it, because on May the 30th, 28.31% was garnered out the market. Now, there's a couple of things we're going to look at in terms of seeing how low price in AI is going to go. Okay, the first one is this trend line. Okay, this is the ultimate trend that AI is currently on. And you guys can see that there has been a time period to which price was trading below it, but then immediately the price came right back up. So any movement to the downside in AI, we need to see the market hold it in order for us to maintain bullish. Okay, that is the ultimate trend. This is the current trend that the market in AI currently is on, and as you guys can tell, it tried to crack that trend yesterday in trading. Okay, this is a stronger trend right here. This market is stronger, but this trend down here is more long lasting. Okay, and I'm talking about in terms of energy. There's a lot of energy built up in this trend than it is in this longer term trend. Okay, and seeing how market currently is hitting this more nearest term trend line, we got to be a little bit cautious on that one. Okay, so I'm not really too dependent that the market in AI is going to hold this near-term trend line, but definitely we need to pay attention to this longer-term trend that started beginning of this year. Okay, so let's take a look at this on the 2-day chart. We got that up fake here on this 2-day price bar, which is one reason why the market in AI currently is going down. And I will say at the conclusion of this 2-day price bar, in the next 8 hours and 59 minutes, if we see the market close down here on the low, then yeah, we need to be prepared and say that price is still weak in AI. I don't like this at all. On the 3-day chart, this is telling me that the market in AI is not going to hold this near-term trend. For the market to give us an indicator of going up to immediately the next 3 days, the market comes right back down, you have to say, yeah, something happened. $48 is resistance. Okay, so yeah, we don't like the 3-day chart. Here's AI on the 5. Pretty much resembles the price action from the 3-day chart. It went up, and now we're currently seeing price come back down. Here it is on the weekly. Again, market ran up prior week. Current week, we're seeing an up fake and market coming right back down. So $48 is where it's at. So we can actually take and see the market in AI. It goes all the way back to 2021. Look at this. Okay, so going all the way back to 2021, seeing how price in AI couldn't hold $48. Those sellers, those buyers back in 2021, they're like, cool, I'm ready to let this go. I've been holding on to the stock for about 2 years and I need to let this thing go. I'm ready just to break even. Okay, so let me go ahead and clean this up. What we're going to do, we're going to look for price in AI to go lower. I really don't think, let me see this first before I tell you that. Okay, let me tell you that. Yeah, so 36 will have to be a near-term target. 34 will have to be a second target. And so we got 36, 34, and then we'll have to do like 30. I'll take it at 32. So we'll do a price prediction in AI of 3 targets. Okay, the sooner we see buyers hold it, the better. The lower price go, not so good for the buyers. Okay, so we have $2 increments on our target. So let me go ahead and drop this on the chart. Now we have resistance up here around $48 or $47.50, and I told you our first target is going to be 36. Okay, that's 8.11%, $36. Second one is going to be 34. That is 12.93%. And third target is going to be around 32, which is 18.25% move to the downside. Now, price breaks this trend line and we hit 32, this trend is broken. Okay, we should not consider this trend as being strong anymore, especially after we see it break a second time. Okay, we don't want to see it break a second time because definitely that trend will have to be broken. But yeah, this is what I'm thinking of right now into the market in AI. I'm looking for the price to dip, to go back down, to go lower. Not necessarily a crash, but this is the stock market. Anything can happen. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.